Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. So in this video, we would be looking at the partner function configurations in SAP sales. So we know that we have the partner functions that are maintained in the business partner. So if I go into the customer master here, so let me pick the customer details for the sales organization. So here, when you go into sales distribution, here partner functions, we can see that as per the standard SAP, these are the four mandatory partner functions, that is sold to party, bill to, payer, and ship to. Now, let's say the configuration on that, like how to determine the partner. So here you go into SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution, and basic functions. Here you have partner determination and setup partner determination. So here, setup partner determination for customer and supplier master. Double click on this. So here, partner determination procedure. So we would be adding the partner functions in this procedure. So before that, let me configure the partner functions. So you have an option of copying and creating, or you can create by yourself as well. So here you can see that we have contact person. So if I want, I can copy, but anyways, I'll go into new entries, and here I'll take it as SU. So I'll say representative, and here you have the partner type. So you need to specify what is the relevant partner type. Since we are working on the customer, so I'll be picking as KU. Enter. Okay, so now I'll save this partner function which I've created. So here we can create any number of partner functions. So I've just created one. Okay, so that's what I've created. Now we go into partner determination procedure. So here I'll just create my own. I'll give it as new determination. So it says select allowed namespace, that's fine. So now I'll select the partner determination procedure which I've just entered, and I'll click on partner functions and procedure. So go to new entries. So here you need to enter the partner function. So the one which I created in the previous step, I'm going to add that over here. And here you can make it as a mandatory partner function, or as well you can say that no changes are possible on this. So I'll not make it as mandatory. So I'll just save this. So I can add any number of partner functions to a particular procedure. So I'm just going back. Now I'll go into the partner determination procedure. So for that, let me select CO1, the one which I configured. So now here we already have sold to, ship to, bill to, all that. Now the account group, what is being used is Debbie. So I'll go into the account group. So here you can see that we have partner determination procedure, which is E7. So let me change this. The one which I created, so SU1. So I'm adding that procedure to my account group. Okay, now partner functions anyway we already configured. So account group function assignment when I come in over here. So partner function is SU. I'm going to new entries and into that SU is my partner function, and the account group for which we'll be using is Debbie. So I'll just save this. Okay. So now if you look at the account group, it's already done the assignment of the partner function to the relevant account group. So let me say this once. Okay, now if I go into creation of a business partner, so I'll just go into organization. Grouping, I'm picking 0001. So I'm just maintaining the address for so I'll save this. Now if I'll also maintain I'll go into change mode. So here we would be picking FLCU. If I customer we would be maintaining, so go into company code. So company code, what I'm using is 1710. Okay, let me save this first. I want to demonstrate on the partner function application. That's it. So I'm not really keen on entering all the data. So here BLCC, and so I'm picking all these data which is already available. The bulk buyer. And now if I go into partner functions, so here so here you can see that you just have the partner function SU which I had configured, and it's not automated because I've not made it as mandatory. Okay, so this is how you can configure your own partner functions and assign it to the customer master. So this is it for now. So let's connect in the next session with a new topic. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.